Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider letting you know that the top 10 Taiwanese instant noodles of all time will be coming out on this date. So mark it on your calendar, be ready, because it's gonna blow your mind! Alright, hey, this is Hans and this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of
Unboxing Time of the Ramen Raider.
the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from
USA!
That's right, it's from a fellow named James down in Lakeside, California. Thank you again. This guy sends me lots of stuff. I mean, he's been really, really cool. A friend to theramenraider.com. Thank you very much, and let's crack it open and see what's inside, okay? Ooh! So this guy really likes to well wrap everything. He packs everything so nicely. I really appreciate that because these things are pretty delicate. Oh, cool. Some Jonga Rabaki. I've seen this one before. It's called Ganjang stir-fried noodles with Korean-style teriyaki sauce. Cool, thanks. Next up, we've got a new Ramen Express variety. This is their shrimp flavor. I haven't had this cup. I like the packs more than the cups, and I did see this one over at Walmart the other day. I'm hoping that they'll come out with a cup or a pack version, but who knows? Maybe they've improved their cups since I last tried them. And this is new. This is cup noodle stir fry, but it's Thai yellow curry rice. So these aren't noodles. These aren't rice noodles either. But oh no, wait, rice with noodles. Interesting. This sounds good. I'm very curious. And then we have Mr. What? No, Mr. Who rice noodle soup. This one says it's pho flavor, and this one is spicy shrimp pho flavor. That's interesting. These kind of look like the Aussie brand ones. I don't know. Mr. Who, and Mr. Who's logo, which is fun for all, is a mustache. All right, well, cool. Big thanks to James for shooting this over. Yeah, he saw that I was low on instant noodles to review recently, and he came to the rescue, so thank you very much. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.